Hey, it's Pat Flynn here, and in this video, I want to share with you how quickly and easily you can set up a web page to display your product, whether it's a physical product or a digital product, with a checkout process so that you can get paid fast. In fact, I just set up a page myself that took less than 5 minutes. You know, there's a lot of ways to get paid online, but just simply sending people a PayPal email isn't the best, especially if you have a product that you want to display really nicely online. And other tools can take forever to use. So I want to introduce to you a tool that I used last night, something that made it really easy, literally within 5 minutes, be able to create a page that looks good, that shared in this case, a physical product, and allowed me to collect payments for it super quick. This is SamCart. SAM is short for sales and marketing, but SamCart is the name. And I want to show you the page that we created using SamCart real quick. And this is the product. This was a t-shirt, a Team Flynn sort of merch shirt exclusive to December 2020 only. But this entire page, the way it looks and the ability to include images, to change the text around, and the checkout process, including information for a physical product like quantity and shirt size and whatnot, and literally the payment options right there on that page too to be able to place an order. I mean, we're collecting orders already, and this literally took 5 to 6 minutes to set up. It kind of blew me away how quickly I was able to get this up. So I wanted to show you exactly what it's like to create a new product and actually have a page like this there too. So all I'm going to do is under products here, I'm going to click new product. I'm going to name the product Widget ABC. Widget ABC does XYZ fast. Pricing, you can have it one-time recurring, meaning they pay every month, every week, or however often you want it to happen. A limited subscription, which means it's a subscription price for a certain number of times. So maybe it's for 3 months only at a certain price, or pay what you want, which is really interesting. But I'm going to go with one-time payment of, let's just say, $10. Create product. Okay, no dollar symbol. There we go. Now, what's nice about SamCart is they will literally give you a URL that you can use and share with anybody. And that's really cool because now you have the ability to collect payments without actually creating your own website on a host or anything like that. SamCart hosts for you. You can include a product image here that's a square-sized image and then change the pricing here. You can even include a thank you page on your own website that you can redirect people afterwards to, and you can create a tag as well if you'd like. Down here, this is where we select whether or not it's a digital product or a physical product. If you choose a physical product, it'll tell you, okay, well, how much is shipping for a single item and each additional item after that? What about everywhere else? Typically, international shipping is going to be much more. You'll obviously want to check to see which carrier you use. And yes, they do integrate with ShipStation and other things like that too, so that can be calculated. But for us with our t-shirt, we did $5 per shirt, $5 per shirt. United States, $10 everywhere else, and you can add other locations or subtract locations there too. And yes, you can include coupon codes as well. But in this case, I'm just going to go digital, and you can upload a product image for that too, but I'll do that later. Digital product expiration, number of days, digital download links will be available to your customer after purchase. What that means is your customers will get an email to download that digital product, and you can say, okay, that's only available for 2 days after. That way they can't just start sharing that link or start reselling it later or anything like that, which is really nice. So I'm going to hit Save Changes. And if I go back to products, you'll notice that this product is, in fact, here, Widget ABC with no picture. But I can always go back to this and edit it by just clicking through. Now I want to show you the checkout design process. So this is really cool, and this is where SamCart really specializes. You can create checkout pages that look great, and they can either be more landing page-like, where you can include images and whatnot, or they can literally just, if all you need is a checkout page, and you just need a button on your website to go to a checkout process, you can have that too. And what's really cool is SamCart has really understood what converts and what doesn't. For example, this accelerator one, as you can see, and of course I'm going to design, I can show you how you can continually redesign this, but imagine you have a product on your website already, you've already described it, you don't need another page. Well, here it looks like, as you can see here, there's a place to put maybe testimonials or an image for it as well, and some other items too. So I'm just going to hit this and select it just to see what happens. And now that I have that selected, I'm going to scroll down and edit my page. And they have a really nice drag and drop builder that you can use. So as you can see, this is what I have here. I can add some content here. I can include an image here if I'd like. I can also include perhaps, let me go back and add a text block here to the, let's add it to, well, I believe there should be a image and, let's see, a feature area. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's add this one here. Although I don't need the button, so I'm going to remove the button. Delete that. I don't need the bullet points here either. Okay, and I'm going to remove this one here too. All right, delete. And now we have this nice checkout process with now a spot for an image as well as a headline to kind of help people on and maybe a testimonial or something. Maybe this is a testimonial from somebody. So as you can see, you can get pretty... Oh, I could have just used one of these down here. Let me see if I could start over. Delete that. Delete. And then let me just add this item there. Okay, that's much easier. I didn't even see that. So there's a lot of items here that I have yet to even discover. But this is for this page here specifically. But I want to go back and choose a different page. So let's go to checkout design again. And I'm going to make one of these maybe the ones that I want to look at. So let's actually just start using this one. And I'm going to hit save changes. It's always good to just continually save your changes. And now I'm going to launch the drag and drop builder. And here we go. Now I can replace these images easily. I can just change the image or delete them. I can change the image width, the size of it, etc. I can change the copy just simply by clicking in here. The best t-shirt ever. Let me actually use one of the images here. Okay, so let me click into this one. Change image. I'm going to use, let's use this image here of the t-shirt. The best t-shirt ever. Maybe a little bit too big. Let me change it one more time. There we go. The best t-shirt ever. And I can move these things around and I can sort of adjust these. I'm going to move this maybe below the button. Again, it's a drag and drop editor. Pretty standard. And of course, you might not need all these sections. You can delete them very simply. Maybe I want to delete this entire section because I don't need that here. So let's delete that. And that moves everything up. You can put a picture of yourself there. And of course, again, the checkout is here too. You can add countdown timers and guarantees. If I wanted to add a guarantee here, let's just add that. Satisfaction guarantee. No, let's choose this one. Maybe this one. So again, very, very nice and easily to style or easy to style. And I'm just going to hit publish on this. And let's just grab the link one more time. So that's this link here. All right, so let's click on the little preview button here. So I'm going to hit preview. And now here it is. And I can click on that. It goes all the way down. I can get the book, pay $10. It does add the shipping automatically if you are doing a physical product and you've already had those numbers included. And again, very simple. So let me show you the product page for the t-shirt. And this is done already, which is pretty cool. I will show you where to integrate your Stripe account or your PayPal account to collect payments in just a minute. But this is the page here. Okay, so we got the product, the shipping. Let's go to the design. And I'll show you which template I'm using. I am using this template here. And you'll see that when we edit the drag and drop builder, this is the page you saw earlier, which is really cool. I added a sort of shirt size measurement chart there just to make it easy and answer questions. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's go back and I'm going to show you the settings area where you would include your payment information and whatnot, which would be over here in the gears area, which is of course settings, and then you go to processors. And these are your payment processors, of course. You can include Stripe, PayPal, and you can add some other ones, digital wallets, etc. And you can set up a processor if you don't have one there too, which is really nice. And so yes, you will need to integrate with something like a Stripe account or a PayPal account. And honestly, the process is super, super easy, which is really cool. They also integrate with certain email service providers. We didn't do that here because this was just a simple page for a t-shirt, but our other SamCart account does actually integrate to our ConvertKit account, and it can integrate with a whole bunch of other things too. Let's see what they have. Aweber, ConvertKit, Drip, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, MemberMouse, Thinkific, all that stuff is awesome. So that's great to know. And then, of course, they also connect on Zapier as well. So Zapier integrations also work too. You can also customize emails that go out to customers. For example, when people are buying and they get their receipt, you can include different information there, and you can edit those things here. Again, this is in the settings area too. What's really nice is the reporting features. If I go back to home here, you'll see just after about a day, we've had about a few sales here, which is pretty cool. But the tracking is really nice. It looks very similar to what you might see on a product like Baremetrics, which is really cool. You can see conversion rates and monthly recurring revenue, order numbers. And sort them via product and or recurring or one-time payments. It's just such a nice tool. And this is what has helped me create some stuff really, really quickly here. And if you're looking for an easy way to sell a product or two or a few, this would be the place to go. Finally, I do want to say that where they excel as well, although I haven't yet taken advantage of this, is within the upsells. Within upsells, you can actually create something such that after a person purchases something, it can go to another product, and you can connect products together. Oftentimes, you can make more money from an individual customer if you have a proper upsell. Of course, you just want to make sure that it is actually relevant and you're not just throwing everything in a person's face, but this is where you would go to set that up. You can create a different product. For example, I can choose create an upsell for this one, or I can create an upsell for this one, and I'm not going to go down that process right now, but again, super simple to use. SamCart has done so much to improve the user interface. If you've used it before, I would recommend trying it again, and if you'd like to give it a shot to sell your own product here, if you'd like to go through my affiliate link, I'd very much appreciate that. I do get a little kickback for that as a result, and I am an affiliate and also an advisor to the company too. If you go to smartpassiveincome.com/SamCart, one more time, that's smartpassiveincome.com/SamCart. That'll tell you where to go and how to do it. So good luck to you. I hope this helps, and wishing you all the best. Great job. Thank you again. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos too. And make sure that you click on this video here, because this one will tell you more about how to make more sales online and do even better in your business. Click on it because it's going to be awesome. Thanks. That's the one.